So good morning everyone. Today we are going to learn about how to create table in HTML page. Okay. So our today's topic is table create in HTML page. So before going to create table in HTML page, uh, let me explain you that what is table actually. Suppose it's a word page. Okay. How we can create the table like insert and then this table option. Na? These are table. If you want to create this kind of table in HTML page, so you have to use some codings. Okay. For example, let me show you on the website also. Mm, this is our website. On this website, there's option class video. If we click here, so you can see there's a one table. There's a one table. Can you see everyone? There's a table on this page.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So I use some coding for this table. Okay, मैंने कोडिंग टाइप किया था इस HTML ये टेबल बनाने के लिए. So how to create this kind of table in HTML page? So we are going to learn this thing today. राइट क्लिक और व्यू सोर्स करके देखते हैं पेज में, पता चलेगा. Where is the coding for the table? See, this is the coding of the table. This one. ठीक है, ये टाइप किया था. I type this coding to create table. Okay, and today we have to learn. It's too difficult now, looks.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Yes, sir.
But but it's not difficult. It's very easy. Okay, I will tell you everything step by step. So please listen carefully. Okay. So see, I'm going to create one page first. So I need a notepad. So, okay, I have to start from HTML. We can write any small or capital, whatever we want. Okay. HTML tag, then head tag, then title. ठीक है, उसके बाद हेड क्लोज किया, उसके बाद बॉडी. ओके, HTML head title, title close, head body close किया. Then we have to write some coding here. Okay, तो पहले एक काम करते हैं and close the body. Tamgin, see, we have to close body only one time, not again and again 2-3 times. Okay, and whatever we have to write coding, we have to write coding in between this space. इसके बीच में हमको कोडिंग लिखना होता है. We will not close the body again and again like last time Tamgin did some mistake na. She create the file and so whenever she is using any of the option like कुछ भी वो टाइप कर रहा था तो हर बार वो बॉडी स्टार्ट करता है बॉडी क्लोज कर रहा था. So we should not do like that. You have to start body only one time and close here only one time at the last. Okay, so now we are going to create one page here. Table create national page, uh, 2nd March 2021. Okay, we are going to save this file with the question number 19. 19.html. Okay, 19.html. We are going to save this file. सेव किया है इसको. अब फोल्डर ओपन करते हैं. चलो, कहाँ हमारा फोल्डर, ये रहा. दिस इज आवर फाइल. ओपन करते हैं, ये सिंपल टेक्स्ट आ गया, ठीक है। नाउ आई वांट दिस शुड कम इन सेंटर, सेंटर लिखा, सेंटर क्लोज किया, फाइल को सेव किया, रिफ्रेश करो, इट्स कम इन द सेंटर। इफ यू वांट टू मेक हेडिंग सो यू कैन, H1 लिखा, okay, you can close the H1 here for heading, save किया, file and then save. Now refresh the page, it come like this. Now we are going to create the table from here, okay. तो सबसे पहले लिखना पड़ता है TABLE table, okay. First we have to write here the table, okay. Then we have to start the row. For example, I'm going to take example of this, okay. Can you tell me how many columns here? Please tell me how many columns here. Hello. Hello.
Sir, 4
Yes, sir.
columns?
How many columns in this table? How many
4
columns?
columns.
4 column. Column 1,
Yeah.
column 2, column 3, column 4. And how many rows there?
Yes,
3.
sir.
1,
Mm.
2, and this is a 3. Okay. So this is the column and this is the row. Okay. So to create a row, we have to write here the TR. This is the call. We have to write here the TR for create this line. To create this line, we have to write TR, table row. Okay. And for each cell, we have to write TH. TH means the table heading. And below we can write the head TD. Okay. This complete line is called table row. Okay. To create this line, we have to write the table row. So same we are going to write here. Now we are going to create table row. TR for the table row. Now we have to create these cells. Okay. These are heading. अगर हमको ये लिखना है तो इसके लिए हम क्या करेंगे, मैं एक और बना लेता हूँ, serial number, name, age, city. Okay. 1, 2, Lisa. Okay. Suppose we are going to make this and this is a heading. This is a table heading. So heading should be a little bit bold like this. And this should be normal. Okay. This should be normal. तो अगर हमको ऐसा same table बनाना है, so we have to write this in a under the table heading. So first we create table row. I already typed the coding for table row. एक minute. Table row I write here. Then I have to write for this TH. क्या लिखना है? TH, table heading. Then under the TH you have to write here serial number. So I will write here the SR, serial number. Okay. Then we have to close the TH also. TH को close करना. We have to close the TH. Sorry. Then again start the table heading. Another one. Another table heading for what? For the name. For the name option. I will write here. Okay. Name. Then close the TH again. Okay. Then again going to start one TH table heading and we write here the age option. Then close the TH. Okay. Then again start one TH. Then write here the city. Then write here the city. Then close this TH. Okay, then close this th. Now our one row is completed. One row is completed, right? So we have to close the table row. So we are going to now close the table row. This is the coding. This is the coding for this line. Okay, for this row. First, I write here table row tr to create this line. Then I write here the th for write something bold in option. Okay, table heading. We write a serial number. Then we close this box. To create this box, we have to write th start and th close, th start and th close. Okay, th is called the table heading and tr is called the table row. Now we have to write a simple things. Okay, so again we have to create one row. So again I will repeat the same coding tr to create a new line. Okay, create a new line table row. Then I have to write here the td. td is the table data. td is the table data. In the table data I will write here 1. Then close this td. Then again one more td. Then write here the name Lisa. td close table data. Then again td. Then write here the age 17. Close the table data. Then again td. Then write the city Delhi. Then close the td. Okay, this one. Now the second row is also completed. We are going to close the table row like this. Now suppose we are going to close the table also. So we have to close this table tag from here. Okay, we have to close the table tag here. I'm not going to create the third row. First isko itna karke save karte hain, then we see file and then save. Now refresh the page. Table comes. ये बंद नहीं किया ना सेंटर, इसलिए वो टेबल इधर आ रहा था बीच में, अब इधर आएगा. Okay, see there's a table but there's a no line, there's a no line, so we have to write here table border and then click on the save option. If you want this should come to center, तो क्या करना पड़ेगा, ये सेंटर वाला यहाँ पे मत क्लोज करो, क्लोज एट द बॉटम, सबसे नीचे बंद कर दो इसको टेबल को. ठीक है, फाइल सेव किया, देखो ये टेबल क्रिएट हो गया. We can write here table border 1, we can write here table border 1 also, we can write here table border 10 also. जितना ज्यादा लिखोगे उतना ऐसा आ जाएगा. ठीक है, लाइक दिस. तो अभी हमारे क्या था, दो रो क्रिएट हुआ था. अगेन सपोज आई वांट टू क्रिएट वन मोर रो हियर, सो अगेन आई हैव टू राइट हियर द tr for this line. Okay, now I will write again here td. What is the written here, 2 for this. Okay, this line 2. Then again close this td option. Then again td table data. Then write here the name Tamgin. Close kiya td. Then write here the 16 td. Then again td start kiya table data. Then write here the name Kabul. Isko close kiya. Okay, now we have to close the table row also. That's it. File and then save. कहाँ गया पेज हमारा. Now refresh it. Is it clear everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is the coding for how to create a table in HTML page. Okay, and suppose there's a one table we have to create it. So this line is called the table row, this line is called the table row, and this small box is called the table heading and table data. So main line which written something in a bold letter. Okay, So this is called the table heading. This is called the table heading. TH. Table heading. TD. Table data. TR. Table row. Okay. We have to use these tags in the while we are going to create the table. Okay. TH for table heading, which is written something in bold letters. TD will come normal letters, and TR for this table row. Okay. We have to use the same thing here. तो हमने ये लिखा है यहाँ पे, देखो सबसे पहले हमने क्या लिखा था यहाँ पे, table. The coding start from that table. I write here table border 10, so that's why the border is coming like this. That's why this. अगर यहाँ पे 1 कर दोगे, or if you're going to write nothing here, so it will come the simple border. It will come the simple border. ठीक है. Then I write here the table row. Table row. For create this line, to create this line, I have to write here the table row. Table row. TR. Then I write here the TH, table heading, because all the things are coming in bold letters. See, ये सबसे ऊपर का जो लाइन है वो क्या है, बोल्ड है. All the letters come bold, na, highlighted. So that's why. So TH, serial number. Then I close this TH, so this box is closed. Then again create one more box. Then I write here the TH. Okay. Then I write the name. Then again close the TH option. Then again start TH. Then again write H. Then close it. Then again start the TH. Then write city and then close it. After that I close this table row option. So this stop from here. Then again I write here TR for create a new row. Okay, to create a new row. Then I write here TD, table data. Then I write 1. So that's why this letters come in a simple. That's why it is come in a simple way. Then I close it. Then again write TD. Then I write the Lisa name. Then close this TD. Then again TD. Then write the 17. Then close this TD option. Then again write TD. Then write Delhi. And then close this TD option. Then after that, I have to create the table row. So I close it from here. Then for create a new row again, I write here the TR. Okay. TR. TR for the create table row. For the third row, I write a TR. Then this TD for TD, and then write 2, then close this TD, then again TD, then write name, then close this TD box again, then again TD, then write this age 16, then close this TD, then again TD table data, then I write the name of the Kabul city, then close it like this. If you want to create one more row, so simple, you can write here TR. एक और रो बनाना, तो TR लिखा, उसके बाद TD. Suppose I'm going to write name of Tamanna. ठीक है. Then we have to close this TD, opening and closing tag. Okay. Again TD, एज कितना लिखे इसमें, 18 कर देते हैं. TD क्लोज किया. देन अगेन TD, मुंबई. TD क्लोज किया. ओके. TD स्टार्ट तमन्ना, then close. TD start, then 18, then close it. Then TD again start, then Mumbai. Sorry, first I have to write the name or number here. Okay. TD, then number 3, we have to close it here, then it. Okay. TD number 3, then close it, then TD, then write name, then close it, then again TD like this. And after that we have to close the table row also. Okay, we have to close the table row also. Now going to save the file and refresh the page. Looks like this. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.